Parts of speech.
Hmm.
Noun.
Explanation कर.
Noun are the naming words. Naming words like name of a river, or name of boy. Any naming word can be called as noun. Pronoun. The words which are used instead of nouns are called as pronouns. For example, he, she, it, they. Instead of using Ritesh in every sentence, I can use he. For example, Ritesh is a boy. He studies in 11th grade. He is interested in handwriting, essay writing, etc. Next, verb. Verb are the action words. Action words are nothing but the action or the work that is done in a sentence by the noun or pronoun. For example, Ritesh is studying. Studying is the action done by Ritesh in the sentence, so it is a verb. Next, adverb. Adverbs are the words explaining about the verb or the work which is done in the sentence. They give us extra information about the verb. For example, Ritesh writes fast. In this sentence, Ritesh is a noun and the work done by Ritesh is writing work, and fast is the adverb which tells us about the verb that he writes fast or he writes neatly. Next, conjunction. Conjunction is the joining word in a sentence, like Ritesh and Rigvedi are studying. Instead of telling Ritesh is studying and Rigvedi is studying, I can write like Ritesh and Rigvedi are studying. Preposition.
Adjective.
Preposition is a word which tells us the position of the things. It comes before the word, so it is called preposition. Anything to describe the position of it, it comes before the thing. Before the thing.
Before the noun.
Before the thing. Preposition tells position. For example, chalk is on the table. Here on describes the place of the chalk. So it tells us where is the chalk. The chalk is on the table. So it comes before the table, that means preposition means this comes before the position. This is preposition. 7. Adjective. Adjective is a word which gives us information, extra information about the noun. For example,
Good. Durgadi is a good girl.
Rigvedi is a girl is a simple sentence, but when we add good or tall in the sentence, we get extra information about Rigvedi. That is, she is good girl or she is a tall girl. That is the extra information about the noun which is called as adjective. Next is interjection. The feelings expressed by us, the sudden feelings which we express is called as interjection. Like when we get a hurt, we say ouch, or when we win a match, or when something is very good, we say hooray, or um,
Wow.
or if we see something surprising, we say wow. These all words are used in sentences to express the feelings which are called as interjection. I can write wow, what a wonderful idea. This was all about parts of speech. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.